Hello from this secret, wild, pebble and rocky beach in Haninge. This is Gålö Havtornsudd, and this is my secret beach spot over here that I'm visiting once every year, and 2024 is not an exception. Now, it would have been perfect if there was sun because it's really amazing. And this beach has sun mostly through half of the day. So right now it is 3 p.m. and the sun will be up here until maybe 4 because it is facing towards east or northeast as such. But it's super amazing, and I remember being here last year and also the year before. I always stop by at this amazing spot. So this is in Gålö Nature Reserve, and it's probably around 3 kilometers walk from the main Gålö Havspot, the main Gålö beach that I visited earlier today. And over there it was quite warmer in the sea. It was 17 degrees Celsius there. It was very shallow as such. Here we are on open sea out on the archipelago, and I just measured the temperature here. It is 12 degrees Celsius. That's right. So a lot colder, 5 degrees colder than on the main Gålö Havspot. And here, as it is open sea, there are many boats passing by, people that sail. It's quite amazing. And many people come here also with their boats. I remember 2 or 3 years ago, people were like docking here with their boats and enjoying on the beach. But little do they know that they can come also here by foot from the mainland, because this is part of the mainland of Sweden. So yes, today is 13th of July, beach day number 92, and we have 19 degrees Celsius in the air and mostly cloudy, so I don't need my sunglasses anyway. And important about this beach is that when boats pass by, you will get waves. And I do remember the beach was a bit broader last time I was here, but I guess it depends on the tide. So you can chill here on the rocks. And yes, there is a hiking trail passing by over here, but you need to be a bit more experienced to climb down to the beach. So that's why it's a bit of secret wild beach, as I would like to say. So yes, Saturday out for exploration on the Baltic Sea, another beach adventure for today on my channel. So are we ready to swim in 12 degrees Celsius in the Baltic Sea? I'm always ready, irregardless of the temperature. So let's then enjoy this beauty of a wild pebble beach out on the Baltic Sea in Haninge, Stockholm Region. Beautiful. Beautiful indeed. And it's very easy here to enter, but it is not sandy here compared to the Gålö Havspot. Here it is pebbles and rocks in the sea, which is also nice. That means that you won't battle with sand. That sometimes can be a bit of a hassle. So I like the mix between different beaches, but I enjoy sandy beaches as well. And there is one other smaller beach on that end as well, as you can see. But I would have preferred if it was a bit warmer, for sure. But that will take a while for the sea to warm up, and we need more warmer days. Now yesterday it was quite nice, 24 degrees, super sunny. I was at Ham, but today it's a bit of a challenge. And here it is nice that you can also take a swim directly because it is not so shallow. So are we ready to take a swim here at my secret wild beach that you will see also on the location map in this video, so you can come as well and it won't be a secret anymore. So yeah, then let's go. 3, 2, 1. It's so so cold. Ah! Cold, but also chilling and exciting at the same time, you know what I mean? It's yeah, and the rocks are also slippery as well, so yeah, super nice indeed. I really love it. So it was definitely worth the hike from Gålö Havspot, around 2 to 3 kilometers depending on which way you come in, because there are two ways to come in, as this is a peninsula. This is the end, the very end of the peninsula that's called Havsornsudd. And it's interesting that there's many boats out on the sea despite not being the best weather. But yeah, people are enjoying the summer in Sweden as it is. Let's take another swim, right? Oh my god, I love the sea, but I got a brain freeze right now. So yeah, that's a wrap from a secret wild beach spot here in Haninge at the Gålö Havtornsudd, very close to Gålö Havspot. There is also a camping there, FYI. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching this episode with me on this cloudy Saturday, 13th of July 2024, and see you soon again with another beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!